Hey there! In this video, we're going to walk through how to test your rules in front to make sure they're working exactly as you expect. To get started, head to Settings and then select Rules and Macros to create your rule. For this example, I've already set one up that escalates conversations from VIP customers to a dedicated inbox. It references a contact list to check if a customer is listed as VIP. When a customer emails in, Front checks to see if the contact is a member of the VIP contact list. If yes, the rule moves the conversation to the Support Escalations inbox and adds a VIP tag, so our high priority customers get the attention they need. Now let's test it using the rule tester. First, I'll find a message from a member of the VIP contact list. Click the three dots in the conversation and copy the conversation ID. Then, back in the rule, click Test Conversation in the top right. Paste in the ID and hit Test. And it works. The rule recognizes the conditions and would run just as expected. But it's also helpful to test what happens when the conditions aren't met. So now I'll use a different conversation ID from a customer that is not on the VIP contact list. Run the same test, and this time the rule fails to apply, just like it should. The rule tester shows which conditions were not met, so you can make adjustments to your rule configuration if needed. Testing both scenarios gives us confidence that the rule is working exactly the way we want it to. Testing your rules before going live helps prevent surprises and keeps your workflows running smoothly.